Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out JasmyCoin's price chart, and specifically in today's video we want to do a complete Elliott Waves analysis on this specific area right in here and see what is going on, because in my view you actually do have a very clear picture, meaning if you want to be bullish there is a very solid bullish structure in here going on, and there's also a key invalidation point for that bullish count, which is quite clear. So are you ready? Let's dive in and see what is going on. And before we get into what is happening in like very short term in this area, let me tell you, overall in JasmyCoin I am extremely optimistic, because in terms of Elliott Waves, seems like that we are having off of the lowest low all the way down here around 0.2%, 5 wave up into a wave 1, correction for wave 2, a strong clear cut impulse into wave 3, and I am now willing to say there's a very good chance we are having from here and not the highest high an ABC expanded flat to about the lowest low, and the bottom most likely for our wave 4 is in, and right now we're just having a bullish setup for a huge wave 5, which is going to happen in my view by the end of this cycle. And I think one of you guys asked in the comments, when I say by the end of this cycle, I mean maybe in the short term, in the next, let's say 2-3 months. Sure, that can be. However, in my view, this cycle is probably going to take quite a bit longer, maybe by the next 6 months to about a year. So for now, just know this. In JasmyCoin, I'm very much bullish. I think by the end of this cycle, we are going to have another move up in order to take the highest high in here for the first target around, let's say, the 6 cents area. And at that point, maybe we are going to get a break of this region and confirm a beautiful cup and handle structure, which the target for it is what? You probably know it if you are a regular viewer of the channel, because we have been talking about this pattern for quite some time now. It's actually somewhere around 10 to 11 cents, which, believe it or not, in my view, that can actually happen in the next, let's say, 12 months. So overall, we are looking great. Do not let anybody tell you otherwise. Now, what is going on in the short term? Let's go on H4 time frame, and as you can see, in my view, there's a good chance we have hit our final low, and this can be a 1, 2, and right now we are building a bullish setup for a magnificent wave 3. So even in the short term, we are looking optimistic. But what is going on in like very short term? And that brings me back to what we said earlier. We are going to do a complete Elliott Waves analysis. So let's dive in and start counting from this point, actually, because I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up into a wave 1, correction for wave 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave clear cut 1 into wave 3, correction for 4, another impulsive structure on the upside into wave 5. And let's also see what is going on in this area from the lowest low, because I do think once more this is yet another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, and I think we don't really need to count waves. This clearly is another 1, 2 wave 3, probably to about this point, correction for 4, another move on the upside into wave 5. Now pay attention, in this 5 wave right in here, we clearly didn't take the highs, so that means this is going to be most likely on a lower degree relative to this one, and this is probably the best count possible in Jasmy. If you want to be bullish, you should probably say we are having a series of 1-2s. And what do we mean by that? This can be 5 wave up into a wave 1, followed by a correction for wave 2, and what's next? Good move up into wave 3, 4, 5, and this yellow 5 wave at that point on a higher degree, it's going to be into this wave 3, correction for 4, another move into wave 5, and even that one on a higher degree is going to be into wave 3, so on and so forth. You know the story. In my view, this is probably the best possible bullish scenario that you are able to find in JasmyCoin in the short term, and I'm going to show you some other scenarios, and I'm going to tell you why those things are not necessarily going to be likely. For example, in one case, you can consider having in this area, excuse me, from this point to about this high, an ABC zigzag, and this, if you want to be optimistic, opens the door to having an ABC flat, which looks like this. This is our initial move down into a correction for wave B, which in it we're going to take this initial high and then good move down into our select. Now, if in this phase we are not going to take the low of our wave A, then okay, this pattern is called an ABC running flat. On the other hand though, if we are going to take it, it is called an ABC expanded flat, and nonetheless the subwaves for both of these patterns are absolutely the same. ABC into A, ABC into B, followed by a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down into C. Let's go on the live chart and see what is going on. And if you want to say this is ABC up, then I guess we can all kind of agree that this is a beautiful ABC on the downside. And are you going to say that this is a 5-wave down? Because I do actually agree this is a 5-wave impulsive structure on the downside. However, very slight problem. You see, you can argue technically that from this high we are having an ABC running flat, and this is still a bullish scenario, this time suggesting to about this point this is the wave 1 and the end of our wave 2. It's not going to be in here, it is going to be right around this point, and right now we are having a huge bullish setup into wave 3 and 4 and 5. But pay attention, the recent bounce that we got from this point to about this high is sort of kind of slow and choppy when you compare it to this beautiful impulse. Now let's actually do a quick comparison and measure our move up timing wise. This move took us about 133 candles on 15-minute charts. On the other hand, this one took us about, let's say, 60 candles on 15-minute chart. So it seems like that despite having way more than enough time, bulls in this space sort of kind of failed to push the price higher and higher in order to reclaim these important levels. And what does that mean? It means in JasmyCoin, we are probably going to get a move down and take this low, which is sort of kind of going to undermine the possibility of having an ABC flat the moment that we take this important low. So this is why I'm not necessarily a big fan of having only and only a 1-2 setup. I think a 1-2 series probably is going to make more sense around the current area. Now, here is a very important point. What if this is, unlike what we said earlier, actually a bearish setup, meaning this whole move is a correction structure, and after it's over, we can get a move on the downside in Jasmy, even, I don't know, let's say from the current point. In that case, I actually need you to have your eyes on this unbelievably important low down here around 1.37 cents. Why is that? Let's say from the current point we are going to get a move down, and I do believe that we're going to get a move down and that we are going to take this low. But let's say we are like much more pessimistic and we are going to continue our move down, and in it we are going to take this one as well. At that point, I am going to be a bit bearish and say, look, in Jasmy, since I am not able to find a complete 5-wave from this point to about this high, or for that matter, let's say any kind of bullish setup in JasmyCoin, then okay, we should probably consider having in this area some sort of a corrective movement. I don't know, maybe like an ABC to about this high, or let's say sure, an ABCDE, a triangle structure, and then one way or the other, most cases do suggest that in JasmyCoin we are going to go lower and take the lowest low for the first target around 1.35 cents. But in that scenario, unfortunately, we may end up going a bit lower than that. Now, is that going to be my primary case? I honestly don't think right now I should consider that as my primary scenario. I do like to be optimistic as long as I'm not proven otherwise. And the fact that recently we confirmed this head and shoulder structure is actually, in my view, a great sign. And for all we know, this might be just a very simple retest of the neckline, and what's next, a continuation of the move up. And even if you aren't a big fan of this head and shoulder, you know what, that's absolutely fair enough. Please then have your eyes on this possible head and shoulder structure. This is our left shoulder followed by our head. And if we get a move up and in that phase we get a break of our neckline, which this time right in here around, let's say, the 1.5 cents area, this pattern is going to get confirmed. And what can be a likely target for it? Let's just put our chart on regular scale and then measure the height of the pattern to about this point and put this thing at our breaking point. As you can see, this is giving you about a 1.6 cents Jasmy in like very short term. Let's say hopefully in the next couple of days. So one way or the other, in JasmyCoin, in my view, downsides are quite limited. And sure, maybe by the next 12 hours, we are going to get a move down, and in it, we are going to take this important low. But at that point, I need you to have your eyes on two very important signs. Number one, I need you to have your eyes on this low right in here and see, are we going to take it or not? Ideally, I don't think that we're going to take it. And number two, at that point, I need you to wait and see a very strong move up. And by that, you probably know it, I mean a 5-wave impulsive structure without a lot of overlapping of the waves, in order to at least by the first target take this important high around 1.45 cents, because that is going to confirm that we are having in this phase down a correction structure, which will hopefully further validate this 1-2 series, suggesting in JasmyCoin exciting times in the short term are indeed ahead of us. Ultimately, if you are not a fan of Elliott Waves, then okay, just have your eyes on this head and shoulder and see what are we going to do with it. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in JasmyCoin. Anyway, if you found any value in my content, I would really appreciate if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Twitter. And if you want more, maybe you want a complete analysis for your own specific crypto, or maybe you want to learn some decent TA in order to be able to make good money in the markets, you can become a member and ask me anything you want. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.